Hello friends, I'm Lokesh, your mentor at mentorbuddy.com. We have a question based on HCF and LCM. So it says, I have a certain number of beads which lie between 600 and 900. If two beads are taken away, the remainder can be equally divided among 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 or 12 boys. The number of beads I have. So let us see how can we approach this question. As it is given that the number of beads that I have should lie between 600 and 900. It is also given that if we remove two beads, the remaining beads can equally be divided among 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 or 12 boys. So let us assume, let the number of beads, be x. And the question says if we remove two beads from it, it can be equally divided among 2, in fact 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 or 12 boys. So how do we calculate this? First of all, we need to understand that this question is a question based on LCM because we are looking for a multiple of the values of 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 12. So we just need to calculate a quick LCM of these numbers 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 12. And in order to calculate the LCM of so many numbers, we can quickly go with the conventional manner. So if I divide them with 2, I'll be getting a number which is like this. Similarly, if I divide it again, I'll be getting, dividing it with 3, I'll get most of my values settled, and then for 5 I'll be left with only one value, that is 7. So this is how we get it. So LCM of 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 12 comes out to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7. And when I do a multiplication, I'll be getting 7 5s are 35, 35 3s are 105, 105 2s are 210, 210 multiplied by 2 gives me 420 beads, or I would say 420 is the LCM. Now please understand, this value is not the correct number of beads because we have already removed two beads from the total number. So this is x minus 2 is equal to 420, and hence x comes down to 422. But as you can see, this is not in the options. So what happens now is, because your LCM was 420, the multiples of 420 also remains divisible by these numbers 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 12. So if 420 is not, or 422 is not matching my answer or is not there in the answer, what I can do is I can simply multiply 420 with 2 and then add 2 beads to it. So this gives me 840 plus 2, and therefore I get 842 beads, which is again available in the options, and that makes it my answer. So therefore if the LCM or the value around the LCM is not available in the option, do not get worried, because LCM, if LCM is a number which is a multiple of, if 420 is a number which is a multiple of these values, multiple of 420 will also be multiples of these numbers. So even we can go ahead, but we are not moving next because we know that the beads are between 600 and 900. So if I take 420 more beads, that is 1260, this number goes beyond 900, and therefore answer to this question is 840 plus 2, that makes it 842. I hope the method and the approach to this question is clear to all. Thank you everyone.